Hi, this is Shyam Dayal here. Today we are going to look at the Expressmart software and the mobile app. Uh, Basically, the Expressmart software is designed in such a way that any retail outlet using the software can go online within a matter of few days. The Expressmart software comes bundled with a web store, such as a website with a proper ordering mechanism, and then also attached to it is a mobile app which comes along with it, and it is all interchangeable. The customer can order from either the mobile app or the web store, and the orders are reflected in both the places. So this is about the Expressmart software. The software can be used for multiple purposes. One being taking any retail store online. Again, you'll have retail stores with multiple locations. Even that kind of an installation is possible with the software. And apart from this, you also have you can also use this software for creating marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart, where multiple vendors come in and register into the software and then offer their products to the customer on a chargeable basis. And yeah, so this is about the software in a brief. So I'll just this video is all about the web store, and I'll show you the web store and the functionality of the web store. So kindly go through it. Let me just load up the web store. Okay, this is the web store. You have a pop-up screen here. This is used for registering new customers. So basically, they can create their own user ID and password and give their address and other details. So we'll not look at it right now. So this is the home page of the software, and this is how it looks like. And I'll go through each component by component on the home page. The first thing is the logo. The logo is customizable according to the needs of the particular retail store. Then you have the delivery areas. This software has a feature where you can specify your delivery areas, and you can be able to deliver only to a particular area. And then again, you have for each delivery area, you can set up a delivery charge. Suppose a few delivery areas are very close to the retail store, they can probably charge a lesser amount, and a few customers living in a long range areas can be charged more. So that's about it. And this shop login and sign up is for a marketplace kind of environment where any shop can come in and then set up their shop in this software. So that's about that. That particular thing is not in the scope of this video. Now you have the other components. You have the search component here. You have the login here. Then search is you enter any keyword in the search. Then you get a list of products according to the keyword, and according to that, so you can select any one particular product. It will show you one particular product, or you can trim the keyword and it will show you all the products with that particular keyword. So this is about the search feature. And next comes the login. Basically, you have a login where you can create a new user for yourself or sign in using an existing user. So the next is the menu. This menu is completely customizable. In a while, I'll show you how to customize this menu. So basically, it is dependent on which store, what categories they need, and things like that. So this is about the menu. So you select any particular item here, like oils. I'll show you all the oils, products listed under the oils category. So this is about it. Okay. So this is about the menu. Then you have the slider, wherein you can put about 6 images promoting your particular retail store, and then an offer image. You can you want to promote any specific offer to the customers, you can put an image over here. Then the section comes with the popular categories. Here all the categories are listed with images which are depicting according to what that particular category holds information about. So this is about the categories. Then you have the top 10 selling products. This is again uh, ordered by the number of sales each product has achieved in this particular software. and it is ordered in the descending order. Then you have the offers. You have the best offers first, top 10 offers, and you will still have multiple pages here. So you can go through all the offers. So basically, the top offer, which is offering the top savings, will be listed first, and the second top one will be listed next, and so on and so forth. That's about the main page of the software. Then you have some links at the bottom. This is entirely customizable as how you wish to set up your particular retail store. So now we look at okay, we'll just log in. I'll use an existing user ID. We can new user is very simple, so anybody can create a new user using this form here. And I just use an existing user. I just log in. When you log in, basically you see three items over here: my card and my profile and logout. This is about the software, and you will go into my profile. You get to see what are the my profile option. There you go. You have the my account, so you define the customer can define their account details and their preferences and their kind of things, which can be used by the shopkeeper to promote certain particular products. Then you have offers. If there are any specific shop offers which are suitable to you, it will be displayed here. Right now, nothing has been set up, so nothing is shown up here. Then you have your own catalog. From the list of the products which is available in the store, you can create your own catalog, and instead of every month, for example, for groceries, you will have regular items which you will order on a monthly basis. So you can set up this catalog and say add the entire catalog to the cart. So this is like something like a wish list, which is offered in other softwares. Then you have the orders page where all the orders that you have placed have been listed here. So you click on the order ID, you get to see the order details. There you go. This is the order details, clearly showing the product details and the prices and the taxes and various other things. Then you have product offers. If there are any products which are coming with offers, like free sample or something like that, which comes up here. Any discount offers will come up here, and all this put together will show up the entire order details. Now at the bottom of the screen you have two options here: cancel order and order rating. The cancel order option will be available only until the shopkeeper dispatches the products. When the shopkeeper dispatches the products, the cancel order option will get disabled and you cannot cancel the order. Order rating is to rate the shopkeeper as to how he has performed in this particular order and things like that. So we'll just take a look at the cancel order option. So this is the cancel order form. You get all the details of the order. In case you're paid for it, you get in case it's a cash on delivery, there's nothing which will be refunded. In case you're paid for it, an automatic refund will be created to your account. So that's about your My Profile option. So now let's look at the order process itself. So we just go to the main page and add some products. Okay, let me add some coffee. Okay, let me add this product into the cart. Okay, we have coffee here in the cart. So this is a cart which is a scrolling cart. Depending on the number of products, it keeps scrolling. And up to a limit of 10 products is displayed on this thing, and the rest is scrolling. So we add a few more products. Okay, we have bakery and biscuits. We add a few biscuits here. In case you want to add a product to the cart from here, you can add, or you wish to see the details of the product, you can go to the product description, where the product description will show all the details. And the other products in the category, and competing products basically. If you want to make a choice between which product you want to choose, you can choose that. And you have a rating for this product as well. You can rate the product according to your needs. So let us add another cart item. We go into shampoo. Okay, we add this product into the cart. Right, so we have three products in the cart. So we go to our cart. The cart is completely, you can delete any product you wish to delete. You can add, you can increase the quantity of any product. Basically, I just increase the quantity so your cart amount is changed here. And then you have refresh cart and then proceed to delivery address and continue shopping. You can do continuous shopping to add more products to the cart, and you can do proceed to delivery address. So when you proceed to delivery address, you get to see all the delivery addresses that are configured with your account. You can create multiple delivery addresses, and you need to add a new delivery address. You can add a new delivery address from this option here, add new delivery address. We'll simply take a look at this, add new delivery address. So this is the form for adding a delivery address. You give a description like dad home and the address and stuff like that. Then you choose the country and the state and the list of cities. You choose any city from that. You choose the list of areas. Get all the areas in that particular city. Then you get a postcode automatically. Then you need to set a location here. This is particularly useful if the shopkeeper is using the delivery module, wherein the delivery boy will get to know which location this particular the delivery location you can set up. So basically, you can choose and enter a location here and just enter a location here. Use this here. Your location is set, and you can close the windows or you just check your location. In case it is slightly off or whatever, you just want to change your location, you can change your location. Or you can go back to that location. Then you close this window, see your latitude and longitude has been set up. So according to that, the delivery boy will be routed using Google Maps. So now we go back to the cart and finish the order. We go to proceed to delivery address and we choose one particular address. So let's choose this address. So in this next step will be the shop selection. As this software can be configured as a marketplace, you can have multiple shops offering the same product. You can compare between different shops, the prices between different shops, and choose the best shop that is offering the best price and things like that, and all the products. For example, some shops may not carry a particular product, while some shops will carry all the products. So you can choose according to your needs the best shop that you want to order from. Okay, right now only one shop is set up since there's a single store retail. So we are selecting this shop here now. So you get to the confirm order screen. In this confirm order screen, you get all the details of the particular shop, your customer ID, and then delivery charges. Like I said initially, delivery charges can be configured according to the area of the customer. Then you have order fees. This is particularly useful in the marketplace kind of a scenario. So we just ignore this for this video. Then there are taxes. There are no taxes set up, so taxes is showing up zero. Then there's a total amount. Now next comes the payment mode. Payment mode, you have multiple options here. Basically, the shopkeeper can offer online payment with charges or without charges. Basically, when you say with charges, there are some shopkeepers who prefer to offer their orders and charge the customer for the credit card charges. And there are some shopkeepers who would want to absorb the charges. So those who want to absorb the charges can say online without charges, can set it up as online without charges, and those who want to get the customer to pay for it, they set up it online with charges. Then you have the normal cash on delivery and card on delivery and voucher option. In voucher option, you have option of the shopkeeper has the option of distributing vouchers, so creating unique codes, and then the unique code has to be entered here so that the voucher is adjusted against the order total. So for this demo purpose, we'll choose cash on delivery. And then next is the delivery mode. This is the as early as possible delivery time. We have multiple slots which can be configured for delivery, and the slots are automatically displayed depending on the time of the day and the order load on the particular delivery staff. So right now only 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. slot is available, and an as early as possible slot is available. Now, so as early as possible, okay, the approximate time for delivery is 46 minutes. So we choose that and we just say confirm order. Right, we just wait for a few minutes. Okay. So there is it. The order is successful. So you get the details about the order, what is the order number and stuff like that. And then you also get the details of the delivery staff who have been assigned to your particular order and their mobile number in case you wish to contact them. So this is about the order process. Now you go to your profile and check your order. In case you wish to cancel it, you can cancel it from there before the shopkeeper dispatches the order. So these are the orders. There you go. Your 1146 order has been booked here. If you, in case you wish to cancel it, you go into this option here, select the order, and then you have the cancel order option. Okay. So this is one part of it. Like I said, the menu and various other aspects are configurable. I will just show you the admin module where you can configure the menu and stuff like that. We'll show a small demo of how to configure the menu. So let's go to the admin module. The admin module is purely useful for the shopkeepers, and it will not be linked to the existing site. So only the shopkeepers will have access to the admin module. You just enter the user ID and password. Okay, here you have the cart. This cart is nothing but the abandoned cart. So any customer who has left any products in the cart will be shown here according along with their customer ID and stuff like that. So the shopkeeper can follow with the customers. As to why they have left it, in case they are facing any problem with the software, in case they are not happy with the price or whatever it is. So this is the abandoned cart module here. Then we go to the dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but a control panel here. So you have in this control panel various options where you can configure various things with this particular software. So right, first thing, let us look at geography masters. The geography masters, you basically have option to configure your countries and cities and states and areas where you wish to deliver, and all that particular options can be configured here. Like we have one country here, India, and then all the states here and cities and various other areas and all that. You can set up any area you wish to set up. And let's go to the dashboard again. So I'll just show you how we can change the menu. So we just take one option here, the beverages. We'll convert that beverages into drinks. So that is nothing but this daily needs masters. So you go into this daily needs masters. Okay, you get categories, subcategories, types, and companies, and brands, and sub brands, and units. You can set up any units you wish to set up. So we are now changing this beverages. Okay, we just change this beverages to something else. Say we call it drinks. We say submit. Okay, this is done. We just check it, double check it. There you go. Your beverages have been changed into drinks. It's so easy here. That's how you set up your menu and stuff like that. Whatever categories you add here, you add a new category, it comes up in the menu here. Make sure that you add categories in such a way that it doesn't overlap into a second row and all that stuff. That's about it. So you have other options in the dashboard where you can set up, like you have the customer maintenance in case you need to change anything in the customer data. You can change through this. You have the shopkeeper maintenance which can be used to change any shop data. Then you have the marketer maintenance and offers maintenance. Offers maintenance is very complicated and a very sophisticated engine wherein you can set up any kind of offer that you wish to set up. So you have different kinds of offer types here, as you can see. Total amount discount, you can see there are 10 different types, 12 different types actually. Go to the next page, you get to see another set of offers here. So brand offer on a company, sub-brand offer on a company, you can set up any kind of offer. So that's how it is. So for example, you want to set a total amount discount, you can set a total amount discount here. So these are the offer types. Then you have the offers. Okay, there's one common offer which is set up now. Buy any product of the company Pro Nature and get a discount of 10% on any product of the brand Pro Nature Organic. This is, you can set up any kind of such offer. You can add a new shop offer here. So you choose the list of offer types that you have, and then say you want to set up a total amount discount offer. So you get the entry screen here. So you set up which shop ID you're talking about. So you have multiple shops registered here. You go to your particular shop. This is basically useful for uh, marketplace kind of an environment, and also useful for people who are setting up their retail stores. They want to specify a particular offer in a particular location, or the location will be configured as different shops. So that's how you specify the total amount discount here. So you say minimum order amount, say you say 1,000 rupees, and then type of discount that you want to offer, amount or percentage. You want to set amount, you set amount here, discount amount is say 50 rupees. So 5%. Okay, so this is about it. Then go to the dashboard, and then you have various other things. The catalog maintenance itself, you can say you can maintain your product catalog through this particular option. There you go. You have the master catalog, you have the shop catalog, and you have the customer catalog. You can set up and change whatever you wish to change. Then you have the delivery FAQ here. FAQ is completely configurable. Basically, you can configure all the frequently asked questions in this particular software. You just you need to add a new one. You just say new entry and enter the details here. Category: what is it? General, customer, shop, marketer, agent, and then enter the question and answer the answer. Or you can edit an existing one. You click on this, you enter this, you change details and submit. And that's how it is. That's about FAQ maintenance. Then you have delivery maintenance, where you can add your delivery staff and delivery shop assignment and delivery staff assignment. So you can create new delivery staff, you can assign them to shops, and then the staff assignment is automatic assignment by the system. You can choose to change this assignment if you wish to, in case of any kind of a problem in the deliveries. That's about it. So this is about the web store, and we'll shortly release a video which will have the mobile app in feature, and it will show as to how the mobile app works in conjunction with the web store. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.